it's giving me the smile I have on today, because if not for IT Online Learning, I probably would be in my gloomy self. So, I mean, I would definitely recommend, my happiness to everyone which came from IT Online Learning. So, yeah.
Hello, my name is Roxanne and I am a recruitment advisor at IT Online Learning. And today we will be talking to Tobiloba, who is going to tell us about how he found the whole process with IT Online Learning. So welcome. Can you tell us a bit about yourself and what do you do for a living?
Hello everyone, I'm Tobiloba. I'm a project manager. I'm specialized in products.
So can you tell us where you have worked or where did you work prior to registering with IT Online Learning?
So I worked and I still work at 1RPM, one of the foremost modern music companies. And
what made you decide to study?
Well, first, I wanted to shape my skills in project management, skills like leadership, teamwork, problem solving, prioritization, time management, budgeting, amongst many other skills. And so for me, it was really important to, undertake this program so I had to sharpen my skills. And especially when, things are really moving fast in today's job market and opportunities are coming up every day. So I just want to put myself in that position where I'm able to, transition into any industry at any time when the time is right.
And what did you enjoy most about studying with IT Online Learning?
For me, I think the online materials were really easy to use and provided in-depth knowledge on the topics of discussion. The portal was open for 1 year, and so there are certain times where I'm a little lost on some of the topics that have been discussed. It's easy for me to go back to the portal to go and, refresh my memory on some of these things. And so I found that really, really important and really helpful across, the span of my program.
All right. And what memorable features shaped your journey the most?
Yeah, I think one for me was the ability to connect to other learners on the platform through the forums. I was able to read through some of the questions that people that, undertook some of the programs went through, and I was able to learn from some of the suggestions and responses that were given. So it really helped me. I didn't really have as much questions going forward, because if there was a question I had, I just went to the forum. Someone must have spoken about it there and how they addressed it, and it was really important for me.
And how would you say that IT Online Learning has helped you grow professionally and personally?
I think professionally, I've been able to adapt the skills I've learned, and I'm now much more productive in my work. That's giving me, the edge over my contemporaries or my colleagues, because I now have skills, that are required for the job and are even more transferable to other departments in my role. And personally, I think it has helped my confidence. Now I'm more confident in my ability to, deliver a project from start to finish without any fear or any concerns of am I able to do this or anything. I'm able to preempt, risk events and handle it well ahead of time. So it has helped my confidence in handling projects.
And would you recommend IT Online Learning to your friends, family members, or even your colleagues?
Absolutely. I recommend 1,000 years to come out. I mean, it's giving me the smile I have on today, because if not for IT Online Learning, I probably would be in my gloomy self, not understanding how to pivot, not understanding how to transition, not understanding how to deliver a project properly. So, I mean, I would definitely recommend, my happiness to everyone which came from IT Online Learning. So, yeah, definitely.
Okay, thank you so much, Tobiloba, for answering all the questions today. And us at IT Online Learning wish you everything of the best.
Thank you.